glass of water on your nightstand vibrates, rattling your window pane. Wind blows, no rain, moon glows, restrained. Fast clouds above you, something this way comes, and I doubt it loves you. Feels like something heartless out in the darkness. Bass sound breaking you down, shaking your carcass. This park is not recommended for minders. Only flatliners come find us within a black blizzard. A tornado, a hurricane of pain. It's too bad you're here, but we're glad you came. Don't fuck this up, it's your only try. The river kills us, the phony's fun. It's too bad you're here, but we're glad you came.
Make way, making its way through the valleys. The caravan kicking up years of sand. Bear witness, path that goes beyond imagination. Your soul sucked out of your mouth, no salvation. Patience is virtue, intrepidation. Lacerations will hurt you. This ain't vacation, it's validation to murk you. Your situation's whack, cremation, your damnation within the black blizzard.
A tornado, a hurricane of pain. It's too bad you're here, but we're glad you came. Don't fuck this up, it's your only try. The river kills us, the phony's fun. It's too bad you're here, but we're glad you came. Frequency drops, lower the pitch falls. Dark carnival approaches, the witch calls as the elephants stomp and the wagons roll. Dust goes airborne, raise the hatchet flag rolls.
Chewy what we do, bang bang. Put your skull out your ear hole like dang man. Great Malenko, wave is one, glitter sprinkle. Life on the brink, fucking shrinking what he think they gonna black blizzard.
A tornado, a hurricane of pain. It's too bad you're here, but we're glad you came. Don't fuck this up, it's your only try. The river kills us, the phony's fun. It's too bad you're here, but we're glad you came. A tornado, a hurricane of pain. It's too bad you're here, but we're glad you came. Don't fuck this up, it's your only try. The river kills us, the phony's fun. It's too bad you're here, but we're glad you came. The Great